Amen.
Hi guys,
In the
good
name of the
evening, good
Father, and
afternoon,
of the
good
Son,
evening,
and of
wherever
the
you're
Holy
watching from.
Spirit.
Please like, subscribe, and share. Right,
Amen.
hit the subscribe button right there. Check this out. It's on Amazon.com. A book authored by myself, Martin. So check it out on Amazon.com. Stick around for the news.
103.5FM immediately after English, 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebonadi FM brings the news in actuality.
I believe that people are voting for a new Nigeria.
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GFM. Ebonadi 103.5FM presents Media Talent Hunt and Skill Acquisition Show. Are you an upcoming model, actor, rap, R&B, gospel, reggae, or high life musician? Are you trying to find your footing on social media? Do you want to earn money with talents and skills? Do not look any further. Sign up for Ebonadi 103.5 FM Media Talent Hunt and Skill Acquisition Show. Today, you will have the opportunity to learn and become an expert in video coverage, photography, film editing, music production, advertising and social media marketing, content creation, filmmaking, radio drama, magazine production, and many more. Register today at Ebonade 103.5 FM Ogidi opposite Obrite Boys inside European Residency Hotel Ogidi. For more information, call or WhatsApp 080 6579 6599.
Good evening and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM News Update today, Friday, the 10th day of January 2025, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin, Efan Shuku Ekeze is my name. The headlines: Peter Obi raises alarm over frequent kidnappings. Former Inspector General of Police Okiro withdraws from Ohaneze Ndigbo presidency race. Senator Kalo, Chinese entrepreneurs visit OT, explore possible ways of collaboration. Bauchi governor reunites three kidnapped kids with parents. Armed robbers attack NFF vice president, leaving two-time CAF award winner injured. Danish government seeks dialogue with Trump amid Greenland tensions. Now, details. Peter Obi raises alarm over frequent kidnappings. Former governor of Anambra State, Peter Obi, has raised alarms about the increasing security challenges in Nigeria, particularly the rise in kidnappings and killings. Obi, in a tweet posted on Thursday, described the situation as worrisome, stating that the pervasive nature of these crimes is causing huge apprehension across the country. Obi said no one is currently spared from the dangerous wind of many kidnappings and killings blowing through many parts of the nation. Every Nigerian feels the heat of insecurity, which has continued to affect every aspect of our nation, from the agricultural sector, where farmers are often chased out of their farmlands, to the health and educational sectors, where critical workers are often kidnapped or killed. The 2023 presidential candidate also noted. Obi also referenced the recent kidnappings and killings, such as the tragic death of the manager of the College of Nursing Sciences in Hiara and the kidnapping of two Reverend sisters, one a principal and the other a teacher in Anambra State. He lamented the loss of these individuals, whom he described as people contributing immensely to our national development through their sacrifices in farms, educational, and health facilities in different remote villages. Former Inspector General of Police Okiro withdraws from Ohaneze Ndigbo presidency race. Former Inspector General of Police Chief Mike Okiro Thursday night announced his withdrawal from the contest of the President General of the Apex Igbo Social-Cultural Organization, Ohaneze Ndigbo, billed for Friday, January 10th, citing an Enugu High Court order. Okiro's aspiration had been marred by an identity crisis. Some segments of the southeast region had accused him of being an Imo State person and, as such, was not qualified to contest the position reserved for Rivers State indigenes. The dust raised by the identity issue had prompted a lawyer, Aloy Ejimofo, to approach the Enugu High Court, which barred the former Inspector General of Police from race on Wednesday. Addressing reporters on Thursday night, Okiro stated that he had decided to withdraw from the race as a law-abiding citizen of the country in compliance with the court order, but restated that he remained an indigene of Rivers State. As an Igbo man and elderly statesman of Rivers State extraction, whose position has been zoned to by the Electoral Committee, I believe in the rule of law and shall respect the court order, he stated. Senator Carlo, Chinese entrepreneurs visit Oti, explore possible ways of collaboration. The former governor of Abia State, Dr. Ojo Zokalo, has visited Governor Alex Oti with a team of Chinese entrepreneurs from China Power on possible ways of collaboration with Abia State government. China Power is a Fortune 500 Chinese government-owned company which built the $1.5 billion Shiroro Dam in Niger State and other landmark projects for the federal government. Receiving the team, Governor Oti thanked Senator Carlo for always finding time to visit and encourage him, irrespective of different political party affiliations. Oti reiterated his stance that after campaigns, elections, and litigation were over, governance takes center stage. Hence, the need for stakeholders to close ranks to ensure that dividends of democracy get to the people. He emphasized the welfare of the people remains the top priority of his administration. Speaking, Senator Carlo thanked Governor Oti for receiving him on a very short notice and always keeping his doors open for him. Bauchi governor reunites three kidnapped kids with parents. Bauchi State Governor Bala Muhammad has reunited three kids who were kidnapped in Bauchi metropolis and taken to Anambra State for sale by an unknown person. It was gathered that a woman allegedly trafficked her neighbor's children around the Walameji area of Bauchi last December. The suspect was said to have rented an apartment in the area before the kids were reported missing. The residents said that the suspected woman left with the children without leaving any of her belongings behind. Meanwhile, the Bauchi and Anambra State Police Commands had earlier launched manhunts for the perpetrators and declared some suspects wanted after the preliminary findings revealed that one of the kids was being sought for 2 million naira. The Commissioner of Police in Bauchi, Aula Wusa, said that his personnel were able to rescue the keys and some people who were involved in the transaction of the keys while the prime suspects was still on the run. He handed the keys to the government to reunite with their families. In his remarks, Governor Muhammad lamented the increase in abduction of children, particularly for sale. Armed robbers attack NFF vice president, leaving two-time CAF award winner injured. Nigerian Football Federation first vice president Chief Felix Anyansi Agu has been injured following an armed robbery at his Barempa Estate residence in Abuja. The attack, which occurred in the early hours of Tuesday, January 8, 2025, led the football administrator needing medical attention at an undisclosed location in the Federal Capital Territory. The robbers reportedly stormed the former Enyimba FC chairman's home, ransacked the property, and inflicted injuries on Chief Anyasi Abu before fleeing with one of his vehicles or mobile phones, cash, and other valuables is estimated to be worth millions of naira. Chief Anyasi Abu is a reverend figure in Nigerian football, having led Enyimba International FC to historic back-to-back CAF Champions League triumphs in 2003 and 2004. These victories were Nigeria's first successes in the competition and earned him consecutive African Football Manager of the Year awards at CAF Awards in 2003 and 2004. You are listening to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. Now we move over to the foreign scene. Danish government seeks dialogue with Trump amid Greenland tensions. The Danish government has requested US President-elect Donald Trump for a phone conversation following his controversial remarks on Greenland, but no official response has been received yet. Danish Prime Minister Mette Frederiksen said in a press conference late Thursday. In a meeting before the press conference, all party leaders in Folketing, the Danish parliament, were briefed on ongoing diplomatic efforts on the Danish side after Trump said he would not rule out military measures to gain control over Greenland, a self-governing Danish territory. Frederiksen emphasized that it currently has no reason to believe Trump would act on his statements, while Foreign Minister Lars Løkke Rasmussen said we should take him seriously but not lightly. The Prime Minister also revealed that informal dialogue with the incoming US administration has started since the Trump election's victory in November. She expressed hope for further talks following Trump's official inauguration. This is where we draw the curtain on news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Peter Obi raises alarm over frequent kidnappings. Former Inspector General of Police Okiro withdraws from Ohaneze Ndigbo presidency race. Senator Carlo, Chinese entrepreneurs visit OT, explore possible ways of collaboration. Bauchi governor reunites three kidnapped kids with parents. Armed robbers attack NFF vice president, leaving two-time CAF award winner injured. Danish government seeks dialogue with Trump amid Greenland tensions. You just listened to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Ifeanyi Shuku Ekeze. Thank you for listening. Good evening.
Listen to news updates on EBEONADI 103.5 FM immediately after Angelus 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. EBEONADI FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that people are hoping for a new Nigeria.
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM. EBEONADI 103.5 FM Ogidi presents Media Talent Hunt and Skill Acquisition Show. Are you an upcoming model, actor, rap, R&B, gospel, reggae, or high life musician? Are you trying to find your footing on social media? Do you want to earn money with talents and skills? Do not look any further. Sign up for EBEONADI 103.5 FM Media Talent Hunt and Skill Acquisition Show. Today, you will have the opportunity to learn and become an expert in video coverage, photography, film editing, music production, advertising and social media marketing, content creation, filmmaking, radio drama, magazine production, and many more. Register today at EBEONADI 103.5 FM Ogidi opposite Ogunite Boys inside Leofin Residency Hotel Ogidi. For more information, call or WhatsApp 080 65 79 6599. EBEONADI 103.5 FM. Nabapoa production. Police for vigilante.
Now my business.
When I will tell you DJ radio drama, Enrico. Akụkọ ihe ATJ radio drama Enrico gonna tell you every Monday 8 o'clock p.m. with a repeat broadcast on Saturday 3 o'clock p.m. Now, everyone at 103.5FM.
If you move by finish or
Amara mi rewa di amo. Ko kuna ka do na ra ko na ni ri ko na e. Nke ka ku ke wona na ma wo kuna ya ma wo le.
Ekokwana ka call dinka call. Man is a political animal. That's why we all have our views on politics. Political views come to you at EBEONADI 103.5 FM with Martin is here every Monday, 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process. Views of labor leaders. And most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to EBEONADI 103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/GistFM every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date.
Abụ Anambra mụrụ agenge m na ọ na-abụ mbata Anambra steeti na-achọ ebe ibe na-eme ọ dịka enwe ife na-akọ m ya wee kpee ezigbote enyi m nwoke wee jụga kedu ebe ibe na-eme na Anambra steeti ọ wee sị m ka ọ na manụbe maka residency hotel dị ofi na Ogidi wee sị enyi m nwoke ọ gịnị na-eme na residency hotel dị ofi na Ogidi ọsọ chelụpụta m n'ebe ọ na-achọ ịpịa m na-abụ ole sị m na-enwe executive rooms and suites na Ogidi na residency sị m ka m ejego na dia restaurant ka akasigote na chef fadebelu den aka adọrọkwa mma n'ibe a na-esi esi ka ọkwa nlisie mkpa wee sịzịa m na m bịaja na dia outdoor arena ebe a na-eme ma wedding, traditional marriage, dedication, naming ceremony, shows and displays. Some Nabanwe swimming pool, no one work for Kawada Sidin, you know, Lozap and then with them, where Taka never even Agaman on a residency hotels, Yofino. Come on, or little lad. Is a one residency hotel, Yofino, the well secured in a serene environment. On kilometer 13, Old Enugu Onitsha Expressway. So look about Macana Major there, and we're number on your Munga book here, na 081 40 933 512. Ana m akpọkwa just now ka m bukuo.
Ndị be anyị ekene m unu. Afọ m bụ Nwaada Okoye Mesoma Eric. Abụ m Adaogidi 2024/2025. Achọkwaziri m iji ohere a wee kenee Igbo bụ Igbo niile, ndị Ogidi niile, ndị kwadoro anyị na Adaogidi nke afọ a. Nna asị na Chineke ga-agọzi anyị ncha niile n'otu n'otu. Afọ a ga-abụ afọ ọma nye anyị ncha. Chukwu gọzie unu.
How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets, our community, our society in general? Street report. If we do not address these challenges on EBEONADI FM, who will? As the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be.
Government.
Street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets. In your community. Street report is here with hardcore journalism to get to the roots of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin, as number the first every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on EBEONADI 103.5 FM as Street Reports unfolds in your face. On EBEONADI 24/7.
Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Right to the subscribe button right here. You rock. Dialogue. Activate the notification button as well, so you get to know what we're doing at the time. Remember to check this out. It's on Amazon.com. A book authored by me, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture. Okay, Martin, the fans, is the name of the author. Dialogue.